Hi, we're unboxing Lenovo Chromebook Duet Gen 9 today. It's a 2-in-1 device. First of all, it feels light in my hand, even with the packaging. Small and simple classic Chromebook vibes. The tablet itself feels really premium. It's got an aluminum alloy body that's lightweight but sturdy. It's perfect for carrying around, weighing in at just 510 grams, as listed on the Lenovo website. But in a bit, we'll pop it on my scale and see if it actually weighs 510 grams. We've got the usual stuff: a USB-C charging cable, power adapter, a stylus, perfect for taking notes, doodling, or just navigating. There's a user manual at the bottom of the box too. So, that's everything in the box. One thing I love about this Chromebook is how lightweight it is. Lenovo's official website lists it at 510 grams, and as we can see here. But let's pop it on the scale and check it out. So the tablet by itself comes in at 512 grams, which is just a little over a pound. Now let's add the keyboard, case, and stylus. The whole setup weighs 974 grams, not bad. Hope this little test gives you a better idea. Now let's take a closer look. One of the two USB-C ports. Volume rocker. The second USB-C port. This one is for charging. Headphone mic combo. Power button. Speaker. Speaker on the other side. Lenovo Stylus Pen 2. Here's the detachable keyboard. It snaps on magnetically with a satisfying click. Switching between tablet and laptop modes is easy and smooth. 8-megapixel rear camera. 5-megapixel front camera with physical privacy shutter. Microphone. The display is a real standout. It's a 10.95-inch Wuxka IPS touchscreen, so everything looks crisp and colorful. With a 1920 by 1200 resolution and 400 nits of brightness, it's bright enough to use even in a well-lit room. This Chromebook runs on the MediaTek Compagno 838 processor with 8 GB of RAM. It's great for everyday stuff like browsing, streaming, or working on documents. Switching between apps is quick and lag-free. The 128 GB of storage is decent for saving files or downloading movies for offline use, but you'll probably need cloud storage for the big stuff. The touchscreen is snappy and responsive. It feels smooth. The stylus has great pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition. If you're looking for something portable, versatile, and easy to use, this is worth checking out. I personally love the lightweight design and vibrant display. What feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.